Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm going to make something really delicious. It is a staple of Korean fire meat, bulgogi, one of my favorite kind of stir-fried beef. I used to make it often. So enough of talking, let's start cooking. My goodness, really delicious. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye.